Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. It's Cash Diary.
Oh my God!
Happy birthday, CK! Happy birthday, CK! It's August 8, 2023. Ang sarap lang balikan, no? Ng mga video mo. Nung 1 month ka, 2 months ka, hanggang nag 1 year old ka, hanggang ngayon na 2 years old ka na. Happy birthday, CK! Ginawa ko tong video kasi gusto ko ma-remember lahat ng mga video nung maliit ka na wala kang ginagawa kundi lang umiyak, magdede, maglaro, magsaya. Kahit ilang beses ka pa namin pinapaiyak, iyan ka pa rin. Kasi alam ko na pagdating ng araw na lumaki ka na, hindi ka na rin ganyan na laging karga sa tata, sa mami. Diba? So gusto ko na pag nakita mo tong video, pag napapanood mo to at na-appreciate mo na yung mga video na ginawa namin ng baby ka, masasabi mo na how lucky you are kasi tinitake care ka ng mga tata mo, ng lola mo, ni mimi mo, na lagi kang kasama sa lahat ng pinupuntahan namin. Kasi ikaw na lang yung baby sa atin. Diba? And alam kong lalaki kang mabait, masunurin, may takot sa Diyos, at masayahin na bata. Huwag mong kakalimutan lahat ng pagmamahal na binibigay namin sa iyo ngayong baby ka hanggang sa paglaki mo. And I know na hindi mo yun kakalimutan kasi napakabait mong bata. Happy birthday, baby, and I know na you will be grown happy kasi alam ko napapaligiran ka ng mga mababait na tao. Always remember that. At yan, kahit nagtatantrums ka, we're always here for you. Ito, birthday mo na to kasi ito na yung 2 years old mo. Ginala ka namin sa park kasi ginanap natin yung birthday mo ng early. So, nung mismong birthday mo, gumala na lang tayo sa park with your ates and kuya, tito and tita, diba? And you're so happy with Mimi. Tuwan-tuwa ka. Nung first time ka namin dinala sa playground, hindi mo pa alam kung paano umakyat-akyat. Then the second time, gustong-gusto mo na and you can play alone. Kaya, we are so happy. I'm so happy. Tito is so happy. Mimi is so happy. Mommy is so happy for you. Yan is the time na pag niyayaya ka namin na pumunta sa park.
Sige, let's go na.
You're so happy. And you say, oh, like that. Sobrang happy ako, Sike. Kasi lalaki ka na puro love. And you will remember that. Yan, you're so happy. You're always playing with your ate. Sobrang galang mo sa mga ate mo. Even though you are 2 years old, you know how to call them ate. Napakabait mo. Yan, ang saya-saya mo dyan. And your tito is assisting you. Kasi natatakot kami na malaglag ka. You're so strong, Sike. Yan, it's the birthday of Sike. Merong pabitin, tuwan-tuwa ang mga bata. And they want to get their candies and other stuff. Yan. Ang saya-saya ng birthday mo. Your mommy and daddy make it perfect for you. That's your birthday, Sike. And even your mom's brother and sister umuwi para to celebrate with your birthday. So you are full of love. And we are so happy for that. I love you, CK. Hope you will see this video when you become Siguro pag sa bagay mapapanood mo naman na now ito and you will understand it. Pero paglaki mo, mas ma-appreciate mo yung video na to kasi mas maiintindihan mo kung paano ka special sa pamilya natin. And that's our little pictures when you're little. Oh, you're 3 months that time, I remember. And we are already video chatting. You're always Tata's favorite color. And yan, lagi tayong nag-usap sa video chat with, and that's your 9 months, I remember, or 11 months. Your first apple, your first na manood ng procession, and your mommy picture taking at the beach, your video chatting, mommy picture in the ilog. That's your 11th birthday, I remember. Or so cute. You're going to church, and mommy is going to the church too with your tito, and you're so look alike with your dad. We go to the beach every morning. It's your New Year.
Birthday to you.
Chat with
Happy
Tata.
birthday to
And
you.
happy birthday to you. Again, happy birthday, baby CK. I love you and we always love you forever.
Blow, blow.
Happy birthday, CK. Oh, blow the cake. Blow the cake, CK. Yay! And your other cake. Blow your cake. I love you, CK. Tata is always here for you. Hanggang paglaki mo, hanggang pagtanda ni Tata. Tata is always loving you. I love you, CK.